So to make the lotus diagram, I'm going to sketch out a square in my sketchbook. And I'm just doing it very lightly. And then drawing the lines for the boxes inside of the square. Next, I'm just going to take a ruler so that I can make sure all of my lines are perfectly straight. And if you don't have a ruler, you can use the side of a book, another sheet of paper, just something so that your lines are straight and not wobbly looking. So after I draw my straight lines, I'm going to erase the sketch lines that I did. And if you do your straight lines in pen, it is a lot easier for you to erase, but it's okay if you do it in pencil also. So just make sure you get all the little sketch marks off. And I'm gonna have my elements and my principles. So I'm gonna write 2 elements of art in each, on the top of each box. So line, shape, color, value, texture, and space. And then I'm going to flip my sketchbook over and I'm going to write 6 principles of design. I'm going to do balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, and rhythm. So now in the box that has line, shape, pattern, and rhythm, I'm going to create a design in that box that contains all 4 elements and principles. So my shapes are going to be circles, and they're created using lines. And I'm just quickly sketching these out. And I can go over it in marker or pen after I'm done. But this is still just the sketching process. So I'm going to be creating some patterns and creating rhythm inside of my patterns. And your design can be whatever you want it to be as long as it fits the criteria. So remember, this first box should be lines, shapes, pattern, and rhythm. Then the second box is going to be color, value, pattern, and rhythm. So here I'm creating rhythm and pattern using color pencils. And you can use markers, color pencils, crayons, whatever colors you have handy. And for the value, I'm going to use different values of the same color. So I have my very dark value, and then I'm doing a middle tone using this purple blue color. Then I'm using this orange to do the same thing. A dark value, then a middle value. And then I was going to create some other patterns in there, but I thought that my color pencil value drawings were pretty good, so I'm going to keep that as my design and just make it a little bit better. Kind of go over my values so that they all pop out. And so texture and space and pattern and rhythm and then line shape and so on and so forth. So you need to make sure that you match those patterns in the boxes, those designs with your elements and principles.